Hi, and thanks for stopping by. I'm Larry Weinstein, and I'm both a CPA and the founder of SolveMyTaxProblems.com in Houston, Texas. And in today's video, I want to answer the question, am I required to complete a Form 668W if I receive an IRS wage levy, also known as a wage garnishment? And the answer to that question is you're not technically required to complete a Form 668W, but the Form 668W basically tells your employer, and of course the IRS, how many people basically are on your tax return when you file your tax return. How many people are going to be on your tax return or were on your tax return. And the way that the Form 668W works is it basically gives you the standard deduction for each taxpayer, and let's just say that you're a single taxpayer. The standard deduction as of the date of the recording of this video is around $4,000. It will also give you, that's the personal exemption. The standard deduction is going to be $6,000 more or less based upon the date of this recording of this video. So in this situation, the IRS is going to take that amount. So it's $6,000 for a standard deduction, $4,000 for a personal exemption, and that's $10,000. And then they'll make an adjustment to determine if you're getting paid monthly or bi-weekly or weekly or semi-monthly, and that's the amount of money that the IRS will allow you to keep. Anything above and beyond that amount goes to the IRS. So to answer the question, am I required to fill out the 668W? I guess there's no real rule to suggest you absolutely positively have to fill it out under some types of penalties, but it's always in your best interest, especially if you're married, especially if you have other family members and you're married, or maybe you're single with children. If you fill out the form, then you're going to get credit for having those children on your tax return, or you're going to get credit for having the spouse on your tax return. And accordingly, you'll be able to keep a whole lot more of your paycheck. And depending upon how much money you're earning, if the amount that the IRS calculates that you're allowed to keep actually exceeds the amount of your check, you'll be able to keep your whole check. So that's it for today's video, where I answer the question, am I required to fill out a Form 668W when I receive an IRS wage levy? Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office or check us out on the website, SolveMyTaxProblems.com. See you soon.